Welcome to Homework Lib.
So we have a couple of right triangle trig problems. In number 4, we have a 20-foot ladder, and that's leaning against a wall. The base of the ladder is 8 feet from the base of the building. What angle does the ladder make with the ground? So I want this angle. So I have the adjacent side to that angle and the hypotenuse. So the cosine of that angle is 8 over 20, which means the angle is the inverse cosine of 8 over 20. I'm going to grab my calculator, press second cosine, 8 divided by 20, and I'm going to get an angle that measures 66.4 degrees. Number 5, from a point on the ground 50 feet from the base of a tree. So here's my tree. That is 50 feet. The angle of elevation to the top, so to the top of the tree, is 53 degrees. Find the height of the tree. So I have an angle. I'm looking for the opposite side to that angle, and I have the adjacent side. So tangent of 53 degrees equals opposite side over adjacent. Multiply both sides by 50. So height is 50 times the tangent of 53 degrees. Press tan of 53 in your calculator times 50. The height is 66.4, and this is in feet. Okay, I can squeeze one more in here. So number 6 says from the top of a lighthouse, so now I have a lighthouse, the angle of depression to a boat. Okay, so I have a boat, and the angle of depression is 27 degrees. The lighthouse is 210 feet tall. I want the distance from the boat to the foot of the lighthouse. So I want X. If this angle is 27, then so is this angle, because they are alternate interior angles. Now I have an angle, the side opposite, and I'm looking for adjacent. Tangent of 27 equals opposite over adjacent. 210 divided by tangent of 27 degrees. That measure is 412.1, and this is again in feet. Let's see, can we put the last one up there? Let's do that. Okay, so we have Richard flying a kite. Here's our kite. And the kite string makes an angle of 53 degrees with the ground. So this is 57 degrees with the ground. Richard is standing 100 feet from a point on the ground directly below the kite. And in this one, I want to find the kite string's length. So I'm going to use cosine of 57 degrees equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 100 divided by cosine of 57 degrees. You are going to get 183.6 feet. And there you go, there's all 4.